Your health is important. As usual, I am your breast specialist, Dr. Nikomua. Dr. Nikomua. I demand to start safely. Doctor, and really, the acquire you be chess, a man, a tie free.
Okay.
Me pese me sote, me pese me sote doctor busa doctor say me den na me swate me fusu obeka say amakote eketu ampa mafu ai kese ama me kwate no moa na emoa busa doctor mama ask doctor for me, is there any way, natural way? Doctor, we are asking, is it any natural way to lose weight?
Yes. Or there are so many ways of it. My lose weight enye adro and I say penny be, and I say the omnium no. What I say?
Okay.
And you know, one of these things, and they say, Obednum is so be brave. So, unum so be brave. And ma, who reduce weight?
Doctor, so be so better no na all start to lose weight.
Yes.
Hey.
Sir, unum so be brave. On say, is you know, and ma. But then enough fluid that we here to be able to excrete some out.
Okay.
What I say? It is a woman here, and my body then ya a one dear a bit me and some fat be a manababon thing. What I say? And exercising. The more now we're exercising, oh, burning more calorie.
Okay.
Fatter one, oh, burning. And also we have more exercise. Now we do fruit.
Okay.
What I say? We do more fruit. Fruit in the dozen be brave. We do a bois, Emma, or sauté, a bomb on your normal shape. What I say? Fine. And a moreover, so no. I was say, we take your diet. How we see the what did you know? Say, we will be your pediane. Di fatty food. What I say, fast food here, turn up on tea, they be a nam train, now watching her, then I idea, and more weight near the costume. So, would ya and more reduce weight? Say fast food, you won't say so many fat in a fast
system.
Oh, I'm fast food, no more any fatty food.
You can say system for now, as will be a pediane fast.
Yes.
So that's it. That fast food, no so acquire fatty food.
Yes. Acquire fatty food. And it's a wood, the more now would you know. Now a ma ye day, a yakasier, and broso. And it's also tia. I also reduce that processed food in a fat food. Not the processed food in a more my sardine winning, processed canned food, box, and then I am more on my house already. Ujai. If a person be also tia, also just money in a fruit news, my dear, I can have them. Say,
but food said Dawson, the ain't a once any pan or dinner or dear, obeys me a loosening weight normal.
Yes, anka, a bois, mango, a bois put to your shape in form, banana. Once then say, South to one say, once who monetize or diet. So we are bear manas or fuswan. Na say we just fasting ka crabby ana Emma or sote.
Me was strategy be my doctor to us, but my mention for me I'm to wait. Didn't tell my funso. And I say me to control my funny say. Semi percent of food, maybe I'm a real female knows my food yakesi and say, I'm a free yakes, Miss Amanako. Now, dear, because I say, me papa me di went and say me dem of be kese kwesi na am catch say mafunye kese masua hu say me am study hu say sometimes e bia a ball from 6 to 7 na me di aduane emu odu bia mafu start ye kese anwumre 6 to 7 bia me di aduane emu odu bia mafu ta ye kese enti sem pese mafu so te a anopa me didi normal kakra but awiane na se fufu ana banku a na madi. But no from 6 going, and not dear media Diania, a mood, may ya check 3 days, 4 days, Mofuno Saira.
That means I can say food or advice you like you be on diet, you have self, and you can say ways out ode wato like we do how to diet so say bia at this time me yesi ya me dey anyway at this time me fu enye kese ene bi won so odi banku to amienu a te so bra baako
okay
serve yourself small portion of food and ma osote
like any baako ni yemu so
say tie anything na we didi kakra na no drink what do you call it fruit na ka ho watwe anka kakra kodu kakra udi sana eboa ma o fele
doctor obizi no go first ka o hin makoto anka ni kodu
oh se me kan e bia uniska anka de iduano de bi obetima kodu kra de efie kretimi e de edwedwe bi
ti doctor o kodu ako
obetima aduana obetima akosre kodu ni bonye de ukita 1 cd kra banya 2 cds obetima nya bi ato enti una so we de ukita 5 cds a oh obetima to kenke mi you know no ma to nchinam de aka no we could 5 cds but obetima to kenke ba ko fa so 1 cd or 4 cd ho what nchinam na to kodu aka ho obemmi a chance obedi kenke mi ensa na mi you know what you say aha enti eno no so no emma oso eti emma body na nya normal shape what you say en overgrow and I would do so I was chiwi food thoroughly like chiwi no na o mini I never saw the show ni manual come back me no minute no e basa na e put pressure our digestive system ni mu
minimum bi o mini mo ya na fo bi oni di o fa ni se no esi a
1 minute
wadu no asaba
I also chiwi thoroughly like chiwi e manifi asana wa me
o kan go for serious mi se afi no ko we mo
na so amu mene like also yes
go for we mo amu mene mo
like if you chew the emona e ko yema
already no ya ba sa abobo so kakra
yes entino emma body ne bre ana entimi en eteki say energy beteki adanyam no so wo boa na wo wi na so boa na emma wo funye kutu ente ye kutu sana na expand what you say na wo ye kese enti say wo nya aduane na so wo nya bote na wo wi na wo mene akoto yem kama to yem sie na a eliminate aba point enti no say so one ne sana so wo mene it take longer time na fuel system mu wo basa di bia ka ho na afi de
wa ba
won de be passion sa enti sa ni mo we ade so we reduce weight I was already there
take care of
so they bia unko ye mi afina akota aduro bi mpese me so te no we your ba sometimes no kwa so starve hu ko fo bi ho no mpese mo se te na mo starve mo hu omo ndidi omo chi omo yem kom no
okay
drinking plenty water eat more protein food what you say eat more fruit what you say enti udi aduane ne kakra bi na what the fruit ne kakra de aka ho carbohydrate food we kakra bi na o man kwan na dɔɔso wa man na dɔɔso
carbohydrate food de bi e dia
oh say aduane a starch wo ti say banche
ti fufu
banku ne na so fo nyina carbohydrate food what you say enti wanya carbohydrate food no kakra bi ankwan ne bebre anam bebre what you say enti no
you are talking about escafo level
enye escafo
me kwa be wa he kwa ji fufu 5 cedis ni ke akoto nam say 15 cedis na say debi
ti say ukita 5 cedis na say you fufu 2 cedis nne okoto fufu na so di mi a just auto be say 5 cedis
oh 3 cedis
3 cedis
aha you ma santi atma with
fufu okay fine it is a fufu 3 cedis auto 2 cedis o so me pen kwan bebre what you say enti nkwan ne containing nutrient ene ehwe cause your wa hono na magum nkwan ne mu what you say what obi onim yes sa o nya minerals ni bebre abetima bo
ka esa no mum do so ni pedua no dan da duane
yes na ama o body na akipi form ama wa nya normal form ayo se wo nya
na se wo die duane mum bebre
enti wo de ne mo ma official na e bebre a it take longer time for digestion to take place
okay
enti emma wo eye kese What you say? But so what they be kakra nkwane bebre nkwane kita minerals a ebe ma body na dey
Aye
sweet aye from
Abusafo na ha na dey we see we Dr. Nikomo natural way to lose weight and then ne kan wa say Benjamin say ya me pada professor ni na bye bye